Hello guys, for today titignan natin yung sasakyan, yung kotse na nakita natin para ibibigay natin kay Kuya Lawrence, yung aking binata. Ang asking price niya is 10,800. Una kong tawad is 9,300. Ayaw at inalok ulit ng 9,500. Ngayon nakikipag-meet na. So hopefully magkasundo. At okay yung kotse, bigyan tayo ng go signal ng ating mekaniko na si Paring Joey. Mamaya papakita natin. At pag binigyan tayo ng go signal ng mekaniko na okay yung sasakyan, yung makina, tutuloy natin bibilin. At ito yung pera. $9,000 right here. And there's 500 here. So it's $9,500. It's a lot of money, no doubt. But of course, kung para sa anak natin, baliwala yan. At syempre, kaya naman tayo nagpunta rito sa Canada at iniwan ko sila, syempre para maibigay ang lahat sa kanila. Samahan nyo kami guys.
The good thing with this coach is it won't trigger the check engine light in there. That's the good thing with it. See, you can erase all the codes that you have in there. It will come back like that.
Yeah, there's only electrically there's one issue that in the dash when you press the cruise, the light, the first light is supposed to come on, right?
Yeah.
But that one is burned out, and you can't just replace the LED. You've got to set up the whole panel,
yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So what you do, you press the set and the set button, the set light comes on.
Okay. That might be the problem that it's throwing cold.
Yun lang, napalaban sa Inglesan ng ating mekaniko. Tataas tuloy ang talent pin ito. Dahil nga may nakitang ilang minor concern ng ating mekaniko, nagamit natin yon para makipag-negotiate ulit. At nag-close deal kami ni Grandpa sa
9,100. 9,100. Thank you so much. No, 9,000.
I'll have to clear out the...
Grandpa, your stuff is here. There's a guy here too. What? You have gum?
napakabait ni Grandpa. At dahil nga nag-shake hands na kami sa 9,100, ayan, kinukuha niya na yung mga gamit niya sa sasakyan.
Camera to be straight.
Offer the service in there. Very kind. Side of the Thank you.
Thanks.
Parang solid.
Yeah.
Solid pa, solid.
Yeah. Well, check that.
Doon kaya sa Dania? Sa ano?
Ford Mustang. Again, ang asking price ng matanda is $10,800. Una kong tawag is 9,300. Ayaw niya. Tapos minessage ko ulit 9,500. So nakipag-bid na siya. And nandun na tayo sa place niya. Siyempre nag-deal pa ng konti. Konting diskarte, nauwi sa 9,100. So ang laki na nabawas natin. 1,700. So, yung susi. Kaya Lawrence. Ibigay natin sa ating pinata. Again, it's a lot of money. But of course, para mapasaya ang ating pinata, ito na po siya.
Mabilis.
Any words for me?
Thank you, pa.
Ha?
Thank you very
Hindi
much.
marinig.
Thank you po, pa. Mas magbayad pa ako.
Di ba?
Basta masaya ka lang.
Magbibilis, mag-i-smith kami ni Papa.
Magano?
Mag-i-smith kami ni Papa.
Oh my
Mabilis
God.
mag-drive si Papa.
So fast. Okay.